Hey everybody, just wanted to share my day trade with you today on OGXI. This one popped up on my percent gainer screener as well as my squeeze screener. It was the first one out of the gate on both of those, and so I threw it on my watch list. Had a little bit of a late entry on this. This was a trade on the short side. So I shorted the stock, and I'll kind of walk you through how I made my decisions on it. But I actually was paying attention to some other charts and kind of missed an earlier entry, so I just had to wait for it to set back up. But what I really liked about this one is that it kind of gapped up into air on the daily chart, and then on the 1 minute chart over on this side, you can see I drew a couple of trend lines for the pre-market move, and it stayed right in within these trend lines. It opened right here, gapped up, hit the trend line, and then started to pull back and for a nice short setup. Now, what I could have done had I really caught it is went to the high day, pulled back, made a lower high right here. Oh, sorry guys. Made a lower high right here and could have taken it short when it broke down here, but didn't pick it up right away. So I just waited for it to set up again, which would have been right here is the setup I was looking for. So again, another lower high. You can see the VWAP is gaining some space there. So waited for this to set up one more time. And so right here at 0.81 is what I use for my stop loss level, and entered this trade short at 77 cents right here as it broke this support down here. So again, on this one, I kind of calculated out based on the daily chart. I figured my profit target would be right here at 70 cents because that was support there. So for me, for this trade, it was a 2-to-1 risk reward ratio. And this trade ended up working out really, really well to the short side. As you can see, it just kind of slowly kept making lower highs and worked its way down, and my order finally got filled right here on this big gap down. Now I could have made this a 3-to-1 risk reward, but again, I had to just set my order. I was busy today, so didn't get a chance to watch this one every minute. But still, great short trade and perfect setup using daily chart to determine where it was going to go, and intraday trend lines, and just a great overall short setup that we like to look for. Thanks, guys.